Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is John Rambo. Um, this is John Rambo. This first clip you're going to see is me doing the range test on some 30-06 hand loads I done. The test rifle was a Remington 700, and here's what it's a 125 grain Nosler ballistic tip boat tail bullet. It's got 58 grains of 43 IMR 4350 powder, and after I shot the group at 100 yards, I went and measured it, and it measured in at about 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches. But you know, I wasn't using a sandbag. I wasn't using a great rest from the bench. So if I had a good sandbag, I might have cut down on the size of the group some. But anyway, that's the first clip. This is a speed demon for 30-06. It's like supposed to shoot anywhere from 3,000 to 3,100 feet per second. I've been using these for probably past 12 to 15 years. I'm not sure. These are pure murder on deer, but I'm gonna fire about 4, and we'll go around range and check them out and see where they hit. It's mirror protection. Let's get out range, see what those look like. Alright, this was 100 yards. I was shooting this Magpul sticker. I got 3 right there and 1 right there. So, not great accuracy, but I don't really have a great rest either. But I've shot deer at 200 yards with these, and I mean, it's fine for 200, and maybe you may even clock one good at 300. But yeah, these hand loads are absolute murder on deer. Alright, in this next clip, I was shooting a Savage Model 24 combo gun. If anybody don't know, it's 20 gauge barrel and a 30-30 barrel. And I was testing some 30-30 hand loads. And it's the same 125 grain Nosler ballistic tip from the 30 that I used in these 30-06. I used that 125, and I put 33 grains of Varget powder behind those. And I didn't realize it at the time. I think I might have done some shooting before that with some 150s to try to get the scope kind of lined up. I was trying to scout scope it, but these bases, scope bases, have 3 screws. And this one, I don't know if the recoil where the scope is out here, I don't know what happened. The recoil stripped that screw or the threads or something. But this one was like, I think it's actually stripped now, so I'm gonna have to either rework it if I'm going to put a scope on. I still got 2 screws back here that are not stripped. I've also considered putting on possibly a ghost ring sight. I used a 0 to excess sight for a guy one time. I guess you've seen the XS ghost rings. They're pretty awesome, really. So I'm kicking around the idea of just putting the XS on it and running with no scope. But anyway, that was probably most of the problem with the grouping in this next video clip.
Alright, I'm back. Got the Savage combination guns, the 30-30 and a 20 gauge. I was trying to, these are some hand loads. You can only use them in a single shot or a bolt action. You can't use it in a tube fed lever action, but same 125 grain ballistic tip. I've been having some problems. I don't know if it's the way the I tried to scout scope the Savage. I don't know if it's the scope or the ammo itself, but I'm not getting great accuracy, and I'm gonna go back and try 150 and see if they do better. That was 150 grain bullets, traditional. Go back down range, see if these 150 grain done better. Alright, one of the 150 grain bullets landed here, the other one landed up here. So it might actually be better than the 125 grain hand loads I'm shooting. So today ain't really good conditions for doing this. I'm going to try to zero it with the 150s and call it a day.
Alright, this is John Rambo. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of range time, and I'm out.